Conger. I am all appetite, gaping conger, pulled through gloom by gut. Compulsion welds with needless limbs to a hull. Swim to feed to swim, keep the tail full. What went first was the means to surprise. Now my days shoal in convoy. Up one sleeve lurks one trick. As the fire in my belly moves along its wick, it burns the tongue. Better to scarf them down with these congeries. Snap unseen whatever splashes. Better the boot and the blood are both turned to ashes. My grin indiscriminate, I sift bland fathoms and work their sweepings into pearl. The goods my galley holds won't fatten these folds. Another kind of consummation stays them. Transfigured at some later date to fuel a surface rise, and stagger all amazed at this unthinkable size.